This is the TS03 Plus. It's beautiful. It's red. I mean, it's really, really red. You've got a cinema mode, which we had on, giving you the lowest light level capability and shutting off everything. You got brightness control here, which gives you a nice range of brightness on the watch. Turn on vibration, weather in your area, and overall settings, all simply by swiping up. Super long battery life on this one. Come over here. I've got all kinds of different activities, including your step count, your last night's sleep time shown from when you went to bed and woke up with a graph, everything. It's like what you'd see in an app. You can measure your heart rate and show continuous heart rate here. You also have an overall training section where you can choose from walking and running and cycling. No GPS. It does, being IP68, support swimming in this watch, and you can look at your results as well. You also have blood pressure, shows the last few. You have blood oxygen as well, and it shows also your last 7 readings. You then have the weather in your area, and here you actually can see what it looks like, and you select what city you want to, tether it to your phone, you'll get the weather update. Remote shutter capability, remote music player. You even have a little game that you can play, the 2048, and it'll stay in the game when you leave the app. So you can actually, wow, oops, I guess I need to press it. You can actually continue playing. You also have a stopwatch built into it as well. You have alarm clocks and countdown timers and the things we've already seen, including turning the power out, resetting it, and your QR code. The DeFit app is what it tethers to. As far as faces go, you've got a few in here. They're all red, or a custom one like this. You also have all the same information on screens. Here's a different day, different sleep schedule, heart rate, exercises, blood pressure, blood oxygen, weather in your area, shutter, and music player are all listed there. It's a really sweet watch. The TS03 metal back, beautiful bands, definitely red. Check it out.